Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, my friend. I'm very happy to be with you in this beautiful session, of course, in English Grammar and Use, where we are going to see an interesting lesson which is about the present tenses I'm doing, I do, for the future. We are going to see how we can use the present tenses for the future meaning. How can we use the present continuous or present simple to refer the activity which will be done in the future? Tugiye kureba ibyo dukoresha present tenses. Iyo tuvuze present tenses, tuba tuvuze present continuous and present simple. Ariko tugiye kubireba, turebe uburyo twabikoresha muri simple past, muri future meaning. Don't forget to subscribe, my friend. We have example situation there. We have the plan of Tom that he will do next week. Tom's their plan for next future is, the first one, he is playing tennis on Monday afternoon. Meaning that on Monday afternoon, Tom will go to play football. Tennis. He is going to dentist on Tuesday, Monday. That is another plan. The next plan, he is having dinner with Anne on Friday. All those examples, Tom has already decided or arranged to do these things. All of these things that Tom has decided and arranged to do, we have there the use of present continuous. That the present continuous is used in those sentences to show future meaning. Izi ngero tubonye ni ibintu Tom yamaze gufata umwanzuro ko azakora mu cyumweru gitaha. Hari ibyo azakora ku wa mbere, arimo gukina tennis, ku wa kabiri guhura na muganga, ku wa gatanu gusangira na Anne dinner. How do we use present continuous? I think that, my friend, we are together. When I'm reading, you have to read after me. We use present continuous to say what you have already arranged to do. When you have something you have already arranged to do, use present continuous, don't use present simple. Are we together, my friend? If you have already arranged something to do, use present continuous. Don't use present simple. We don't say present simple present, if you remember. We have example there. What are you doing on Monday evening? That is example. What are you doing on Sunday evening? Not say, what do you do on Sunday evening? That is mistake. Because he is asking the sender, ask you what you will do on Sunday evening. Your plan, what you will do on Sunday evening. Ahangaha baratubaza urugero batubye ko dukoresha present continuous igihe turi kuva ku bintu twamaze gutegura tuzakora. Igihe twamaze gushira ku murongo ibintu tuzakora dukoresha present continuous, ntago dukoresha present simple. Baduharugura baravuga ngo, what are you doing on Sunday evening? Niki uteganya, niki uzakora ku cyumweru nimugoroba? Ntabwo icyo gihe rero tuvuga ngo what do you do? That is totally mistake. And remember, we are running English Grammar in Use. When we are running English Grammar in Use, we mean that you have to speak in everything or something or by using sentences in correct way. I'm going to the cinema. I'm going to the cinema, not say I go. I'm going to the cinema. It is the activity that you have already arranged or decided to do. Another example. What time is Carrie arrive tomorrow? What time is Carrie arriving tomorrow? At 10:30, I'm meeting her at the station. Carrie aragera hano ejo ryari? Ni ikihe gihe Carrie ari buze kugerera hano? Igisubizo ni 4:30. Mvuga ko ndibuze guhura nawe kuri station. Another example. I'm not working tomorrow, so we can go out somewhere. It is the activity which I have already planned. Nothing the narrator will do tomorrow. Ian isn't playing football on Sunday. He is hurt his leg. He has already decided not to play football on Sunday because he is hurt his leg. I'm going to do something is also possible in these sentences. Where we have used present continuous to refer to future meaning, you can also use there be going to. Example, what are you going to do on Saturday evening? That is example. Don't use will to talk about what you have arranged to do. My friend, don't use will when you are talking about something you have already arranged to do. Instead of using will, you can use present continuous or you can use be going to. Ntuzigere ukoresha will igihe wamaze gupanga ibintu uzakora muri future. Aho kugira ikoreshe will, uzakoreshe present continuous cyangwa se ukoreshe be going to. Example here. What are you doing this evening? Urakora iki nimugoroba? Not what will you do. Ntugakuvuge ngo what will you do this evening? It is totally incorrect. Alex is getting married next month. Alex arasezerana mu kwezi gutaha. Ntuzigere uvuga ngo will get married. Totally mistakes. A totally mistake. We have been discussing about how we use present tenses and we have been discussing about present continuous. Let's see how we use the present simple to the future meaning. Present simple I do with a future meaning. We use the present simple when we talk about timetable, programs, and etc. We use the present simple when we talk about timetable, program, etc. The train leaves Bournemouth at 11:30 and arrives at London at 14:45. That is example 1. Example 2. What does the film begin? Film iratangira ryari? It is Wednesday tomorrow. Ejo ni kuwa gatatu. You can use present simple for the people if the plan are fixed like timetable. You can use simple present for the people if their plan are fixed or if their plan are arranged, if their plan are arranged like timetable. For example, I start my new job on Monday because he will work from Monday up to Friday. What time do you finish your work? Because There is a timetable there. There is a time that he will finish his work. Twari turi kureba igikurikiyeho ujye twakoresha present simple igihe turi kuvuga kuri future meaning. Tubonye ko tuyikoresha igihe turi kuvuga kuri timetable cyangwa se kuri gahunda za gahunda abantu bagisute bakoresheje, cyangwa se tukaba dukoresha present simple igihe turi kuvuga kuri ku bantu ariko ku bintu bamaze gupanga bagomba kugira ute gukora. My friend, this lesson is very important. Subscribe if you want to see more uploaded videos as far as English grammar in use is very important, my friend. Thank you so much.